Hi friends, and welcome back once again to Best Techs. Today in this video I'm going to show you a quick simple fix for how to increase sound output in custom ROMs. So let's get started.
So if you're new here or haven't already subscribed yet, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to enable notification by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button.
So first you have to install an application from Google Play Store. If you don't have it, the application name is ES File Explorer, or you can use any other root explorer app. For now I'm going to install this, and for this you need root permission. Since you are already using Custom Rom, I'm hoping that you have rooted your device. This method will also work on devices running stock ROM or default ROM, whatever it's called, but they need to root their device. So after installing, open the application and enable root explorer, and after that you have to click on local, then click on device, and then go to system folder. In system folder, open etc folder. If you are using a non-trouble ROM, then you can see a file named mixer path. Since I am using a trouble ROM, that file is located under vendor. So in my case I have to go to vendor folder instead of system folder. I will repeat once again. If you are using a trouble ROM, then you have to open vendor folder, and if you are using a non-trouble ROM, then you have to edit that file in system folder. And depending upon your ROM or your device, open the appropriate folder, and in that folder open etc folder. Then you have to open this file name mixer path mtp.xml. Let's open it, then click on edit, and search for this line RS3 digital volume. Okay, then we have to change this value from 78 or 76 or whatever in your device into a higher value, and by higher value I mean a value below 90. If you go above 90, it is not good for your speaker, and for the sake of that, to use a value below 90, and in my case I'm going to try 88. So for some weird reason I'm not able to rewrite this line, so if you are able, you can edit it directly. Since I'm not able to edit it, I'm going to do this. Just let's copy, and I really don't know what's wrong with this editing. Anyway, let's try to paste. Yep, that worked. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. Now let's reboot our device, and now your device volume should be increased. And if you like this video or this video helped you, consider liking this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.